Hey, Jen.
Hi, Destiny.
Wow, that looks cool. I have never seen that game before. What is the name of that game?
The game is called Unknown Worlds, and I created it.
Wait, what?
Yes, I created it with Python.
Python? What's that?
Python is a computer programming language used to build really lit games.
Can you teach me Python so that I can build my own games?
Sure I can. What are friends for?
Thanks, bestie. Hello, my friend watching this video. If you would like to learn how to program in Python, why don't you go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you won't miss any episodes of Programming with Mrs. Hughes. Okay, thanks.